everyone. I am York. I am the Service Department Manager here at Test Equipment Depot, and I'm going to introduce to you the BK Precision 389A Test Bench Digital Multimeter. This has a 3 3/4 digit, 4,000 count LCD display. It has selectable auto and manual ranging. It will measure AC and DC volts and amperes, also measures resistance, capacitance, and frequency measurements. This has an audible continuity function. All current ranges are fused, features a ruggedized case, has auto power off, and it is designed to meet IEC 61010-I Category 3 600 volt Class 2 safety standards. Thank you for watching. I am York with Test Equipment Depot.